Capture the world around you in stunning detail with the ESP32 CAM. From live video feeds to motion detection, our integrated camera system adds an extra layer of functionality to your driving experience, providing enhanced safety and convenience. Experience the thrill of customization with our Arduino Robot Car Kit. From tweaking performance parameters to adding new features, the possibilities are endless. Unleash your creativity and take your driving adventures to the next level. Solar charging for sustainable power. Our kit comes equipped with a 5V solar charging function. Harness the energy of the sun to charge your 18,650 battery, providing a renewable and eco-friendly power source for your devices or projects. Comprehensive assembly manual. We provide a detailed assembly manual to accompany your kit. It guides you step by step through the assembly process, ensuring a smooth and frustration-free setup, even for those new to robotics. Endless creativity with Arduino programming. Your robotic kit is Arduino programmable, opening the doors to endless creative possibilities. Develop custom code and explore various applications, from educational projects to advanced robotics endeavors.